Hey guys, today on our 2006 Ford Explorer with the 4.0 liter V6, we are going to be changing the air filter out. Now to start, this is just a very straightforward application. We're going to have two spring clips here and here to undo the box to actually get the new filter in there. So let's get started. Alright guys, this is a super easy application. We just got two spring clips that we lift up the bottoms on. They come off. Then we're able to actually pull the box up that side and slide out. We got three tabs that are on this side here, and we're able to just slide it out of that, exposing our old air filter. So we're going to pull this out, our old air filter, kind of dirty and gross. We're going to replace it with our new Wix filter. I just picked this up at the local auto parts store. A lot better, a lot cleaner. I noticed there's a couple large pieces of debris in there. Just want to make sure that all of that's out. We're going to set our new filter in. Just going to make sure it fits nice down in the hole. We're not going to force it or anything. Then to put it back together, we just line up our three tabs. Get it to go back in. There we go. Line up our three tabs. I push down a little bit to get it to slide back into place. Then we just bring our spring clips up and clip them down. Just like that, our filter is changed. Now, these were the three tabs I was talking about. There's one here, here, and here that you kind of had to push down so it could slide back in. And these are the spring clips. So when you undo it, so you just pull up on the bottom, it pops off. And then you just set it back on and push down and it's on. Alright guys, if you like what you saw here, give us that thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.